In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export or download Outlook emails. We'll walk through two simple methods you can use right in your web browser: downloading the original email file and saving it as a PDF. Follow along and you'll have a copy of any message in just a minute or two. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. Click the official Outlook website link to open your mailbox, then sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in your inbox, locate the message you want to export. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. Click the email to open it so you can see the full message on the right. Now let's download the original email file. Look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions, near the top of the message. Click those three dots to open the menu. Move your cursor over Download, and you'll see options to download the message as EML or MSG. Choose the one that fits your needs. EML is a widely compatible format that opens in many email apps and preserves the email headers and attachments. MSG is tailored for Microsoft Outlook on Windows and is great if you'll be importing it back into Outlook later. After you select your format, your browser will either download the file to your default Downloads folder or ask where you want to save it. Consider renaming the file to something meaningful and placing it in a folder you'll remember. This method keeps the original structure of the email, including attachments. If you prefer a document you can easily read or share, here's another way. With the same email open, choose Print from the toolbar or from the three dots menu. When the print window appears, change the destination or printer setting to save as PDF. You should see a preview update on the right. Check that it includes the details you want, like the subject, sender, and main body of the email. Then click Save. Pick a folder, name the file, and confirm. This creates a clean, portable PDF copy that's easy to attach, store, or upload. Keep in mind, PDFs typically won't include attached files as separate items, and they won't preserve full email headers the way EML or MSG does. That's it. Use Download as EML or MSG to keep an authentic, import-ready copy, or use Save as PDF for a shareable document. Choose the format that best matches how you plan to use the email, and you'll be organized and backed up in no time.